You have various car cleaning kits to choose from. These kits include all the necessary vehicle washing supplies under one kit, ensuring that you have everything you need for a good clean, as well as financial savings. There are many products available to choose car cleaning kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car cleaning kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemical Car Cleaning Kit. The 20-piece Arsenal Builder Kit from the Chemical Guys is the only one you need to clean, condition, preserve, and shine every surface, material, and finish on any type of vehicle. The California-based firm has a devoted fan base because to its unique and excellent product range, and the full package includes everything from powerful cleansers to fabric coatings that repel water. The necessary tools are also included in the Arsenal Builder. Up to 4.5 gallons of soapy water are kept clean by the bucket and cyclonic dirt filter, and dirt is kept off washing mitts and microfiber towels. Waxing is made easy with the help of applicators, and the brush has a short handle for easy application and proper bristles that other brushes lack. The foam gun foamy sprayer that comes with this package is powered by a garden hose, and should be enough for most uses. If not, the Chemical Guys offer pressure washer owners another kit that includes a foam cannon. It includes Butter Wet Wax, Silk Shine Dressing, Diablo Wheel Gel, Signature Glass Cleaner, Cyclone Dirt Trap, Detailing Bucket, Torque Foam Blaster Foam Gun, Short Handle Brush, Microfiber Wash Mitt, and 3 microfiber towel. Positive side of this product. Complete car care coverage inside and out. Includes brushes, microfiber cloths, and accessories. No pressure washer required. Negative side of this product. Not cheap. Car wash soap could have been provided more. Number 2. Armor Car Cleaning Kit. There is nothing wrong with purchasing a car wash kit on a budget. If you decide to do so, Armor All's Premier Car Care Kit contains 8 cleaning supplies. This kit contains Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, Car Wash Pad, Tire Shine, Tire and Wheel Cleaner, Multipurpose Car Interior Cleaner, Glass Cleaner, Armor All Original Protectant, and Car Air Freshener Spray. The multipurpose cleaner along with Armor All's interior protectant and glass cleaner is something we truly appreciate. In this manner, an interior may be thoroughly cleaned. You receive the company's wash-wax combination car wash soap to clean paint, as well as wheel cleaning and tire shine in place of a professional vehicle wax for the outside. This automobile cleaning kit is a great choice for anyone who wants to get a taste of detailing. Positive side of this product. Best cheap car cleaning kit. The cleaner ensures to clean glasses without haze. Simplifies car detailing. Negative side of this product. Packaging may cause leakage. The quantity could have been more. Number 3. HMPLL Car Cleaning Kit. You should definitely consider purchasing this car cleaning kit. A variety of various standard brushes to clean switches and knobs are included in this 10-piece interior detailer kit from HMPLL. There are 5 detail brushes of different sizes. There are 2 exclusive air vent brush that helps to clean dirt from vent leaves. And there are 3 wire brushes that are primarily for removing any kind of rust. The larger brushes are best suited for cleaning the exterior and wider areas of the car efficiently. The bristles are soft that can remove the dirt from the car gently to protect the area you're working on and avoid leaving scratch marks on painted surfaces. This car detailing brush set comes with solvent-resistant bristles that are suitable for any car cleaning task. Even after repeated usage, its bristles remain durable and odorless. It can be used in any dry or wet conditions. The smaller brushes can easily work their way into the nooks, cracks, corners, and tight spaces in the car. Positive side of this product. High-density bristles. Practical gifts and quality after-sales service. Good for interior cleaning as well. Auto-detailing brushes in various sizes. Negative side of this product. Brush bristles are not durable. Quality control could be better. Number 4. Meguiar's Car Cleaning Kit. The Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit combines value, performance, and adaptability in spades. Reusable microfiber towels, foam applicator pads, and a cleaning mitt are included in the set, along with premium supplies to clean and protect everything from the tires to the roof. Inside the kit you will find car wash, liquid wax, tire gel, clay bar, quick detailer, Scratch-X 2.0 etc. With a packed set of clay bars that remove entrenched dirt and Scratch-X 2.0 that eliminates swirls, paint preparation is a breeze. For an unmatched sheen, Gold Class Car Wash and Liquid Wax combine conditioners, carnauba, and polymer waxes. It gives your car long-lasting protection and maintains the shine. Quick Interior Detailer collaborates with one of our all-time favorite specialists, Meguiar's products to handle total cabin cleanliness. For cleaning and polishing uncoated transparent plastic surfaces like gauge covers, Plasts is nothing short of magical. The Endurance Tire Gel offers a deep gloss finishing touch where the rubber meets the road, and the Quick Detailer acts as a lubricant for clay bars. Positive side of this product. Specialized products for each and every part. Includes scratches and clay bars for paint prep. Also comes with towels, washing mitt, and foam applicators. Negative side of this product. Glass cleaner suspiciously absent. Bucket sold separately. Number 5. AUTODECO Car Cleaning Kit. This one is brand new and one of the best quality 25 pieces of car cleaning kit. The soft texture of the tools gives the car complete protection. It contains all the necessary tools like a window scraper, duster, microfiber towel, wax applicator, and many more to help you clean your car and bring back its luster. Its products and tools are made of high-quality materials that aids in cleaning your car effectively without affecting its paints. The best part is that all its tools and cleaning products come in a waterproof storage box that enables you to store them or carry them with you. It is the most comprehensive tool. The delicate material used to make the automobile cleaning equipment makes them soft, strong, and long-lasting. A piece of solid detergent may dissolve 4 liters of water, and the box can accommodate car cleaning wherever it is needed. This car cleaning kit ensures cleaning the exterior, interior, tires, etc. of the vehicle effectively. Positive side of this product. Made of soft, sturdy, and durable material that makes it long-lasting. Comes in a versatile design that's suited for multifarious usage. Includes a large box which holds 8 LTS of water. Negative side of this product. Towels may not offer adequate usability. Quality could have been better. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.